I got my patient, Dr. Edward. His father did his hair restoration with us, recommended by him, and then now it's his turn to do it. So not too much, just a little bit to give him density over his temple and his hairline. So that's it. We're going to do the procedure. So Dr. Edward, so harvesting is done, 1,200 grams with the PCID machine, alright. So now at the same time, extraction is going on, okay, alright. Hi everyone, so we have finished for the day. So 1,200 grams every procedure taken to build up the temples and the hairline. So how was it, doctor?
Yeah, it was very comfortable. I don't feel a lot of pain, and then the whole process was very smooth. I didn't realize that actually it's completed.
Yes.
So thank you so much, Dr. Inder.
So I'd like to thank Dr. Edward for choosing our clinic, and so also for allowing us to take this video and share with everyone. So when you share like this, people who has hair loss problem like yours, they will know that there's some kind of a help for them, right? So so thank you so much, and I will keep you updated.
Yeah, thank you.
Yes, thank you.